Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Maze ice cream box. If you're not familiar with this box, it's $25 a month. You get 5 to 7 full-size items. You're guaranteed a palette in every box. It's very heavily on the makeup side, so if you're looking to build your collection, this is a great subscription box to do it with. They also offer a bag that is $12.50 a month. You get 3 full-size items in the bag. If you're wanting to sign up, I have a discount code that you can use. It's code Michelle10 and you get 10% off of your first subscription. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And with that being said, girl, let's go ahead and start unboxing. So this month's theme is going to be April showers bring May flowers, which is so cute and is so true. So we're gonna start with the star of the show because I like to start with the palette, and this is my favorite part of every ice cream box is the palette. So this is from Base Blue. You guys, look at how cute this palette is. This is a blush and shadow palette and it retails for $42. Isn't that just so adorable? I love it. But right here on the back, it actually, like at the top here, it's very small, but it actually tells you what is the blush and what is the eyeshadow. They're numbered. So from what it's showing me the purple or the lilac color. The 2 pink shades and the 2 red shades are your blush shades and the rest are your eyeshadow shades. I'm going to use the pink shades as eyeshadow today. And I'm also going to be using it as blush. So I can't wait to try this. I'm super excited. This is so stinking cute. I love the packaging. It's adorable. Up next, I have 5 of these little IBY Beauty eyeshadows. This first shade is going to be Road Trip. It's a really pretty cream shade. Next up is Silent Disco. Next up is Headliner Fire and Ice. And lastly, Into the Woods. So these retail for $25 for all 5 of them, so they're like $5 a piece. Up next, we have Ruby May Cosmetics Magnetic Lashes, and these retail for $13. I'm a little scared about these, you guys. They look pretty long, so I don't know. But I am going to try them. I've never tried magnetic lashes before, so that should be fun. They also sent the Ruby May Cosmetics Magnetic Liner, and this retails for $13 as well. So it's going to be fun to try out the magnetic lashes. I'm excited for that. Up next is Dulce Lip Liner. I'm probably botching this name, but this retails for $22. It doesn't have a shade on here, but this is the shade right here. And last but not least is going to be Basic Beauty. This is a matte liquid lipstick, and this retails for $16. This is in the shade Ombre. So I'm going to start with my eyes, and I already have them primed. So I'm going to go in with the IBY Beauty, and this is in the shade Road Trip. Now, whoop, whoop. You little slippery sucker. I'm not sure. I don't think everybody got the same shades in these, but I'm not sure. So I'm just going to start with this shade to be my transition. I love IBY Beauty. We got an eyeshadow palette out of the ice cream box a few months ago, and it's a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. I've never had an issue with the IBY Beauty formula. It always blends out really nicely. So I think I'm gonna go in with I think I'm gonna use this a light pink shade first, and hopefully these have some pigment, being that they are supposed to be the blush shades, but we shall see. They might be too sheer. Yeah. This little palette is so adorable though. I just cannot get over the little tulips. It's very cute. This color is coming out so sheer. So I'm going to switch over to this shade because that other shade is coming out very sheer. So I'm just going to switch over and see if I can get, yeah, this color is showing up a bit better. Now they do say that these ones are supposed to be the blush shades, so they could just be a bit more sheer than the other shades. So I think for my outer corner, I'm going to use the shade Headliner because this is like a dark chocolatey brown. Just to darken up the outside a little bit. And that shade did have quite a bit of fallout to it. Now I think I'm going to go with Into the Woods because that's a bit deeper brown. And see if I can just darken up this outer crease bit more. So now I'm going to go back and I'm just going to spray my brush a little bit. I'm going back into that pink shade just so I can brighten it up a little bit in here. These shades are kind of thin shades. Go back with that first brush just to blend everything out. So I'm just going to go in with my finger and just add a bit more because sometimes you just have to go in with your finger just to get it built up. And then I'll go back and kind of blend it out with my brush. But that pink shade is so pretty, isn't it? Oh, I love that pink shade. I think the brown makes that pink pop. So for my lower lash line, I'm just going to use that dark brown and run underneath of my lash line. And there is quite a bit of fallout from these shades, so just be mindful of that. Okay, so I'm going to take that same pink shade that I used on my lid and use for my blush today. Whoa, that's very pretty for blush, yes. I definitely like that as a blush color. That's pretty. It has a nice sheen to it, so yes. I think I like it more as a blush color than a shadow color. That's pretty as a blush color. I like that a lot. Okay, girl, so here is the nervous part, the lashes. The style is in Kayla. It has like a magnetic strip in here, so once you take it off, you can just pop it right back on. That's really cool. I've never tried magnetic lashes, so I'm super intrigued right now. Like, I have to try these, even if they look crazy, like, we're gonna try them. So the box says, cut the lashes down. Apply a thick and even line with the Lash Dash magnetic liner onto where the lashes will adhere. Wait 30 seconds before placing the lashes onto the line. But here's my thing, I'm nervous about this. It's a brush applicator, and I'm so much better with like a felt tip applicator. So, girl, wish me luck on this. Alright, so I'm gonna do this other one. So I'm going to start with the inner corner. Oh my god, yes. Like, holy moly. That stuck so easily. Okay, so I think I got that side done. Like, that was super easy to stick on my lid. If it wasn't so like bam in your face along, I think I would like these because it was really easy to get on my eye. Alright, girl, I'm gonna try to do this other side here. I'm just gonna try with my finger. I mean, it just pulls right to the liner, so I really like that a lot. Okay, you guys, so that's what it looks like with the lashes girl, these things are, there are some lashes, like, whoa. These are not something that I would wear. Like, I feel like it closes my eye off and you can't see my eyes anymore. But I'm definitely going to check out some more of these. Whoa. That's a lot of lash, girl. That's a lot of lash. I can't do all that. So I think I'm just going to fix the liner with my actual like felt tip eyeliner that I use. Okay, girl, so I just went ahead and put on some winged liner just to try to fix what I messed up with that other liner a little bit. But I am super intrigued with these. I want to try a different style, like definitely something more natural and not so like crazy hitting my eyebrows. But they applied super nice, so I'm gonna order another pair for 13 bucks. I think it's definitely worth trying to get a more natural, like suitable eyelash for me and trying out. Overall, I think that it worked fairly well. Like, I need to get a little better, girl, with applying the eyeliner here. I feel like if I can use a felt tip eyeliner and then put this over top, it would come out better because I would have like a line to go off of. But I'm definitely going to be ordering me some more of those lashes because I really want to try that. Okay, girl, so I'm going to go ahead and try this lip liner. This is a light lip liner though. Let me swatch the lipstick shade. So I swatched the lipstick and the lip liner. They do not go together, girl. So I have a different Basic Beauty. It's the same exact liquid lip. It's just in a different shade, which is a vodka soda. And I think I'm gonna go with that shade. That's the one on the bottom. That lip liner matches the vodka soda shade so well. So I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I got my makeup completed and this is the final look. My thoughts on this is I really do like this palette. I think it is so cute. I love that pink shade for blush. Definitely I like it a lot more for blush than an eyeshadow, but it works. I'm definitely going to be trying out this palette again, and I want to use these other shades, the ones that are actually supposed to be eyeshadows, just to see if they have any more pigment. They do have pigment, but you do have to build it up quite a bit. The little IBY Beauty eyeshadows, I do like them. There is a lot of, kickback and fallout from them, so just be mindful of that. But other than that, they blend out beautifully. The Ruby May lashes and liner, I really did like. I just wish they wasn't so long because, girl, they look kind of crazy. Yeah, and I'm just not going to wear lashes that touch my eyebrows. So I'm definitely going to be ordering more of these. And I need to practice with this for sure. I wasn't the greatest with the liner, girl. Wasn't, but it's okay. The lip liner, I really do like the color of the lip liner because it matches this other Basic Beauty lip color that I have. But I do love Basic Beauty lipsticks. They are really nice. They dry down. They're not sticky and they last for a while. So I like their lipsticks a lot. Okay, you guys, so that was everything. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!